Hello friends, welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is soft and fluffy ragi cake without using maida. Healthy recipe for kids. So let's start. First of all, preheat the pressure cooker. Place a stand in pressure cooker. Remove the gasket and whistle of the lid. Close the lid and preheat it in medium flame for 5 minutes. Now take a mixing bowl. Crackle 2 eggs into the bowl. And beat it well with the help of beater or whisker. Beat it till the eggs turns fluffy. Now add half cup of oil. I am using sunflower oil. You can also use melted butter or ghee. Beat it well. Now place a sieve and add 3/4 cup powdered sugar. You can also use sugar or powdered crystal sugar or misri. Add 3/4 cup of ragi flour. Sugar and ragi flour should be of equal quantity. Sieve it, break the lumps and sieve it. Now add 1/4 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve it. By sieving the dry ingredients, you will get soft cake. Beat it again. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk. Milk and eggs should be room temperature. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat it again. You can see the cake batter has turned fluffy. Now add chopped cashews. Now take a cake mold, grease it with ghee or oil, dust it with wheat flour or maida. You can also use butter paper. Transfer the cake batter into the mold. Tap it twice to release air bubbles so that the cake turns fluffy. Add cashews. Now the cake is ready to bake. Place it in a preheated pressure cooker. Remove the gasket and whistle. Close the lid and bake it for 30 to 45 minutes in low flame. Now I think the cake is almost done. Let's check whether the cake has been baked. Place the knife or toothpick. If the toothpick or knife comes clean, your cake is ready. Turn off the flame and transfer it. Scrape the edges. Tilt it and tap it on the bottom of the mold. You can see the cake has turned out very well, very fluffy and soft. Looks yummy, isn't it? So try out this healthy cake recipe, friends. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Nandoos Cookbook for more videos.